Earth, our radiant blue planet, has been the stage for life's grandest drama for over 4.5 billion years. From microscopic organisms in primordial seas to the dazzling diversity of creatures that inhabit the land, air, and water today, Earth's story is one of triumph, transformation, and survival. But hidden beneath this vibrant tapestry is a tale of cataclysm and rebirth, 5 colossal extinction events that nearly erased life from the face of the planet, reshaping the course of evolution forever. These mass extinctions are not just ancient history. They are powerful reminders of nature's might, the delicate balance of ecosystems, and the urgent warnings about our own future. To understand where we stand today, we must journey back across hundreds of millions of years through icy glaciations, fiery volcanic eruptions, and cosmic collisions to the dark moments when life as we knew it almost ceased to exist. The first great extinction, Ordovician Ice Age, about 485 million years ago. Imagine a world covered mostly by oceans, alive with early marine life like trilobites, brachiopods, and primitive corals. This was the Ordovician period, a flourishing chapter in Earth's story. But suddenly, the planet's climate shifted dramatically. Massive glaciers formed at the poles, swallowing vast portions of the oceans beneath thick sheets of ice. Sea levels dropped sharply, temperatures plummeted, and oxygen levels in the water diminished. The icy grip of this great glaciation triggered a catastrophic loss. Around 85% of marine species vanished. Entire ecosystems collapsed under the frozen weight, leaving a scar that would take millions of years to heal. The second extinction, Devonian crisis, about 383 to 359 million years ago. Fast forward nearly 100 million years to the Devonian period, known as the Age of Fishes. The seas brimmed with life-armored fish, early sharks, and the first forests along the shores. But beneath this vibrant scene, Earth was brewing a crisis. Massive volcanic eruptions unleashed clouds of ash and toxic gases, polluting the atmosphere and waters. Climate shifts brought about fluctuating temperatures and anoxic oceans, dead zones where life could no longer survive. Over several million years, about 75% of species were lost. Coral reefs, once thriving cities of biodiversity, were decimated. This extinction reshaped the marine and terrestrial worlds, clearing the path for new forms of life to rise. The third and greatest extinction, the Permian-Triassic Great Dying, about 250 million years ago. The deadliest chapter in Earth's history is the Permian-Triassic extinction, a true planetary apocalypse. Often called the Great Dying, it eradicated over 96% of marine species and about 70% of terrestrial vertebrates. What caused this devastation? Giant volcanic eruptions in present-day Siberia spewed massive quantities of carbon dioxide and methane into the atmosphere, triggering runaway greenhouse effects. Temperatures soared, oceans became acidic and depleted in oxygen, and toxic gases suffocated life. The land turned into a barren wasteland, a world of silent forests and empty seas. The biosphere was nearly wiped clean. But this brutal reset paved the way for the rise of the dinosaurs and the dawn of a new era. The fourth extinction, Triassic-Jurassic event, about 200 million years ago. About 200 million years ago, another extinction reshaped life on Earth. Around 80% of species disappeared during the Triassic-Jurassic extinction, caused by massive volcanic activity and climate instability. This event cleared the way for the dinosaurs to become the dominant terrestrial animals for the next 160 million years. These mighty reptiles, from the towering Brachiosaurus to the fierce Velociraptor, symbolized Earth's resilience and evolutionary creativity. The fifth extinction, the Cretaceous-Paleogene event, about 66 million years ago. The final and most famous of the great extinctions occurred 66 million years ago. A colossal asteroid, estimated at 10 kilometers wide, collided with Earth near the present-day Yucatan Peninsula. The impact released energy billions of times greater than atomic bombs, igniting wildfires across continents, sending dust and soot into the atmosphere, and plunging the planet into darkness, a nuclear winter that halted photosynthesis and collapsed food chains. The iconic dinosaurs, rulers of Earth for millions of years, vanished forever. But from this devastation, mammals, small and often nocturnal survivors, began to diversify and thrive. This extinction set the stage for the rise of mammals, eventually leading to the appearance of humans. The sixth extinction? Humanity's era of impact. Now, fast forward to today, an era where human activity has become the dominant force shaping the planet's future. From deforestation and pollution to climate change and ocean acidification, the impact is immense and accelerating. Scientists warn that species are disappearing at rates 1,000 times faster than natural background extinction rates. The sixth mass extinction is no longer a distant possibility, it is happening now. Unlike past extinctions caused by natural disasters, this crisis is driven by one species, us. But unlike past eras, we also have the power to change the course of history. Advances in science, conservation efforts, and global awareness provide tools and hope to protect and restore our fragile ecosystems. A call to action. Earth's history is a story of survival against unimaginable odds. It reminds us that while life is resilient, it is not invincible. We are the stewards of this planet, responsible for preserving its wonders for generations to come. The decisions we make today will determine whether we witness the flourishing of life or the silence of extinction. The planet's past extinction events are not just warnings, they are calls to action. To safeguard Earth's future, we must embrace sustainable living, protect biodiversity, and confront climate change with urgency and unity. The story of Earth continues, its fate entwined with ours. We are part of an extraordinary legacy, one that spans billions of years. Now, it is our turn to rise to the challenge, to honor the resilience of life, and to protect this fragile blue world, our only home, for all who will follow.